Hello friends, welcome to my channel. And today I'm gonna share with you how you can increase and decrease brightness when you upload the image on Instagram account. So how can you do this? Just follow my step. This is easy process. Okay, just follow my step. So before the tutorial starts, you are sincerely requested to subscribe to this channel, and if you face any problem or if you have any question, please let me know in comment below. Okay, so let's begin the tutorial. Here you can see the Instagram apps. Click on this, and after that you are seeing the option plus icon in the bottom part. Click on this. Okay, just I click post and I choose this image and fit it here. So you can fit here. I will show you the process here. Just click, then it will fit according to the image ratio. Okay, so after that we need to click here. Okay, so here is the option where we want to change our brightness and decrease and increase. Okay, so this one, the right part of filter. Okay, so here you edit, click, and here you can see the option bright. Click on this. So initially it is a default 15. So if you increase your brightness, just drag it into right side, and here you can see the percentage 55. Okay, so you can change it according to your picture quality and visibility. Okay, so if you decrease your brightness, then you can drag it in left side, then you can see the minus. Okay, so it's depend on your picture quality. Okay, so you can do it easily. Okay, right, drag right and pull left side. Okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you, and please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching this tutorial.